Welcome back. It's day 19, and it's time to catch up. Let's head in. All right, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake. Thank you for watching the video, and today is about day 19 in the One Funnel Away Challenge. It's just a catch-up day, so there are a couple videos to watch. There's about an hour of videos to watch, actually. So let's jump in there and I'll explain that real quick. It's very simple. Steven Larson is just answering questions that people are asking in the chat from a One Funnel Away Challenge. Who knows how long ago. But that's it. That's the whole video. I think it's like 45 minutes. Nope, 52 minutes of him literally just answering questions, which is valuable. He answers some good questions. He does clarify the difference between origin stories and epiphany bridge scripts. If I didn't clarify that in the previous videos, I'll go ahead and run it through here because I think that is important. It's something a lot of people will get confused on. Now, an epiphany bridge script is literally just the way you write all your stories. All of them. Now, your origin story is simply your first story, how you started and whatever path you're on now. And you write the origin story with the Epiphany Bridge script. And you write your next story with the Epiphany Bridge script. You write the story after that with the Epiphany Bridge script. Now, if that's not clear, I don't know how else to explain it. Alright, so hopefully that's clear enough for everybody. I actually did get a question on Facebook the other day about it too. I mean, that is what it is, so there really shouldn't be any more confusion. I mean, realistically. Yes, they didn't explain it very well in the days they covered those, and I did mention that in the videos. I tried my best to explain it in those videos. If that didn't help, then this one definitely should clarify everything. Alright, so that's all he's doing, question and answers. Jim Edwards, just a little 7-minute video. He is talking a little bit about headline hooks. He doesn't go through procedures or anything. He does give you a quick little, one of his favorite types of headline scripts. We're not even worried about that. He gave us something pretty cool. So you click on copy hacks, boom, and they go access Gary Halbert's favorite direct response headlines. It's a wizard he made. So you fill out the questionnaire here. There are a lot of questions, so just be prepared for that. There's a lot of questions to fill out, but you fill out all those and it brings up 84 of Gary Halbert's favorite direct response headlines, and some of them are fantastic. How to rob lawyers legally. That's fun. 7 ways to make money online. That's pretty generic. That's overdone these days on YouTube. For entrepreneurs who want to quit work someday. How to beat lawyers at their own game. That's a pretty good one. Yeah, you get the point. It's a really cool tool. I'm going to link that down below in the description. I don't know. Hopefully they don't mind. Yeah, this is the coolest wizard he's given out yet. This is totally awesome. This is a lot like what funnel scripts will be if you decide to upgrade to that later. But yeah, it's going to be down there, so check that out. In the meantime, this is just a catch-up day, so we're going to use it to catch up on our stuff. Tomorrow is also a catch-up day. I might do a quick little update, kind of like this, because I know there are videos tomorrow. But yeah, that's it for today. Day 19, catch-up day in the One Funnel Away Challenge. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you all in the next video. Later.